Robots that weed with lasers. Drones that spray entire farms in an hour. This is farming right now. This is the tool that stops farmers mid-sentence when they first see it in action. The LaserWeeder G2 is a tractor-towed unit equipped with AI-guided, high-powered lasers that destroy weeds with sub-millimeter precision. Its computer vision is trained on over 150 million labeled plant images across 3 continents. It identifies your crop in milliseconds, leaves it completely untouched, locates the weed, and fires. No herbicide, no soil disturbance, no resistance building up in your weed populations over time. The G2 comes in working widths from 8 to 40 feet to fit operations of any scale. Carbon Robotics reports an 80% reduction in weed control costs for adopters. It runs 24 hours a day, including through the night, with 24/7 live expert support on call. The Agras T50 is DJI's flagship agricultural drone and has become the global standard for professional ag aviation. It carries a 40-kilogram payload, either a liquid spray tank or a granule spreader, and covers up to 43 acres per hour. That is the equivalent of a small farm in a single flight session. The dual atomization system delivers optimal droplet sizing for crop penetration, and centimeter-level RTKn GPS ensures every pass is precise and fully logged. Farmers are running this for fungicide application, fertilizer spreading, broadcast seeding, and aerial crop mapping, all controlled from a tablet. The global ecosystem of certified operators, training centers, and parts availability makes this accessible far beyond just large-scale commercial operations. The FD20 is one of the most original machines in modern precision agriculture. It is a fully solar-powered autonomous field robot that handles precision seeding without any fossil fuel input or human operator. Solar panels run it around the clock, making it genuinely self-sufficient through normal field conditions, covering up to 6.5 hectares per day. The core innovation is GPS-referenced planting. The robot records the exact coordinates of every seed it places in the ground. On return weeding passes, it already knows precisely where every crop plant is, allowing it to work between and around each seedling with millimeter accuracy. Tested on over 100 crop types. Payback periods as low as 1 year reported by adopters. A field robot that runs on sunlight and asks for nothing. The MK5 is the world's first commercially available fully electric driver-optional smart tractor. It can execute autonomous field tasks overnight, plowing, mowing, spraying, while the operator is completely off-site. The large-capacity battery charges from standard farm electrical infrastructure, and 4G connectivity lets you monitor its position, battery level, and task progress from your phone at any hour. Onboard sensors allow reliable navigation even in areas with weak GPS signal. Every field pass is logged with detailed operational data. For farms dealing with the ongoing labor shortage, the MK5 directly multiplies productive hours without adding headcount. It is commercially available across North America and parts of Europe, and qualifies for clean energy incentives in multiple US states. Most irrigation systems still run on fixed timers, watering the field on schedule whether it rained 2 hours ago or not. The Ratio 3 solves that completely. It connects your existing valve infrastructure to a live weather intelligence network and automates every watering decision in real time, adjusting or canceling cycles based on rainfall, temperature, wind speed, humidity, and soil type. It skips cycles when rain is forecast. It extends runtimes during heat events. Each zone is managed independently based on what is growing in it. Everything is controlled from a smartphone app. Independent testing consistently shows 30 to 50% reductions in water use, with no negative impact on crop quality. Wide availability, easy installation, and among the highest return on investment ratios per dollar on this entire list. The GreenSeeker is a handheld optical sensor that measures NDVI, Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, giving you an accurate, real-time reading of crop health at any point in your field. Walk the row, Point the sensor at the canopy and get a reading in seconds. The primary application is variable rate nitrogen management. Instead of applying fertilizer at a uniform rate across the entire field, GreenSeeker data shows you exactly where the crop needs more input and where it is already performing well. That targeted approach typically cuts nitrogen costs by 10 to 20% per season while maintaining or improving yield. It exports data directly into prescription maps for variable rate applicators. Compact, rugged, field-proven across multiple continents. One of the most practical precision ag tools ever built. Managing livestock across a large property is physically demanding and time-consuming. The Series Tag is a solar-powered GPS ear tag that tracks each animal's real-time location, daily movement patterns, and behavioral health indicators, including rumination frequency, activity levels, and anomalies that routinely precede illness events such as respiratory disease, lameness, and calving. The cloud platform generates automatic alerts when any animal's behavior deviates from its established individual baseline. That early warning can be the difference between catching a problem and losing an animal entirely. Tags require no charging, last year's on solar power alone, and connect even in remote areas through low-power satellite networks. For cattle and sheep operations, Series Tag replaces hours of daily manual checking with a single alert on your phone. While some sensors try to measure everything, the TEROS 10 focuses on doing one thing with absolute laboratory precision: soil water content. Knowing exactly when and where to irrigate is the difference between a thriving crop and a wasted harvest. This rugged professional-grade probe uses advanced electromagnetic technology to measure the volumetric water content of your soil every minute of the day. Unlike cheap sensors that degrade over time, the TEROS 10 is built with high-grade stainless steel needles and a specialized epoxy body, designed to survive in the harshest field conditions for over a decade. It connects to wireless data loggers, sending real-time moisture alerts straight to your smartphone. For farmers managing complex irrigation schedules, this tool replaces manual soil probing with a constant digital heartbeat of your field's hydration. It's simple, indestructible, and saves thousands in water and energy costs. The Solix is an autonomous, solar-powered ground robot built specifically for continuous crop scouting at scale. It moves through field rows day and night, using an onboard camera and sensor array to collect high-resolution data on crop health, pest presence, disease symptoms, and growth stage. Solentech's AI platform processes that data and pushes targeted alerts to the farm manager before problems have a chance to escalate into losses. The critical advantage over aerial drone scouting is resolution and frequency. A drone gives you a top-down snapshot when you choose to fly it. The Solix delivers ground-level detail every single day, catching early-stage pest outbreaks that aerial imagery would miss completely. Deployed commercially on large-scale corn, soy, and cotton operations across the US and South America. Making crop decisions based on regional weather data from a public station 30 kilometers away has always been a compromise. SenCrop eliminates it. This compact, solar-powered wireless station installs directly in your field and logs rainfall, temperature, humidity, leaf wetness, and wind exactly where your crops are growing. The platform runs on a shared network model. All connected stations anonymously exchange data, so even before you install your own unit, you gain access to readings from nearby farms within a few kilometers. Once installed, your data benefits your neighbors in return. Farmers use SenCrop data to nail fungicide spray timing, protect against frost, optimize harvest windows, and calibrate irrigation with precision. Available across Europe and North America on a simple subscription plan. Dairy farming runs on labor, and milking is the most time-locked task on the schedule. The Delaval VMS V300 is a voluntary milking system, a robotic milking station that cows approach on their own schedule any time of day or night. The robot handles teat preparation, attachment, milking, and detachment autonomously. It collects individual cow data on every milking, yield, flow rate, conductivity, and flags health anomalies automatically. Milk quality is monitored per cow per udder quarter. A single unit typically handles 60 to 70 cows without any human milking labor. Farmers report dramatically reduced working hours and improved milk quality due to increased milking frequency. Commercially available worldwide through Delaval's global dealer network, with full installation and service support. Every other tool on this list saves time in the field. This one saves time and serious money after harvest. Improperly stored grain spoils fast, and manually climbing large bins to check conditions is slow and genuinely hazardous. BinSense Pro installs wireless temperature, moisture, and carbon dioxide sensors at multiple levels inside each bin, transmitting continuous data to a smartphone dashboard. Spikes in CO2 or temperature indicate active spoilage or pest activity before any visible damage occurs. The system sends automatic alerts, so instead of inspecting bins on a fixed schedule, you respond only when there is an actual developing problem. For grain operations managing dozens of bins through a long storage season, the cost of missing one early spoilage event far exceeds the cost of this system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.